day. Huh? Might have heard something. Is there anyone here? Excuse me?
No, in kitchen.
Anyone there? No, please, please. I don't want to be hit with a bat. I mean a crowbar. No, please don't. No, no.
That's how many here.
Granny, please don't take me to Grandpa's.
Less?
Oh,
That's an old man, isn't it?
tolerant Granny. Hello everyone, so today we are back with Granny Chapter 2. And now I'm going to try again. I feel like doing it after 2 days. I'm in the mood for it, so let's go. Yep, got everything. I don't know what. No, that's not what. Let's just do the same. I know what that thing does with that music box is there. Actually sends you to FGTV, the music video called Granny's House. I'll send you a link to it in the description, so let's go. Alright then. I'm going to turn the volume up a bit. I guess that's enough. Day 1. Day 1 already. So then, let's have a look. Right then, we're up. We're up in this smelly house. Hang on, let me do something. There we go. So I could see more. There we go. Probably might have felt like it on dark mode if you didn't have any light on the phone at all. Oh God, there's Grandpa. Let's go this way. Alright, let's have a look. What's in here? We're escaping in the helicopter. So I'm going to need some pieces of picture. No, there's nothing in there. There's never a thing anywhere. Because I thought there could be the stun gun in there. That's probably a piece of a picture. Yes, that is. Gonna need that for upstairs. What's in here? Oh, the helicopter key. That's good. Alright then. Good, no one's there. Oh, the door locks. I know what it does. It just locks doors. Not really bothered about. Oh God, there's Granny. Where's Ruben gone? I'm sure he came around here somewhere. Right, you go there, smelly woman. Right, this woman smells. Oh, okay, this is all right. We're all set. Oh no, I'm not sleeping in the boat. Why did they give me the boat key? Oh God, I'm nervous already. Oh no, Ruben, come back here now. Oh God, they're not letting me go. Thank you. They just like trapped me. I fell into a trap. Oh man. Day 2. We've got to concentrate. We need to find the piece of pictures. Because I'm gonna fail this game. I've definitely put it on easy mode. Now they both surrendered me. No, not surrendered. They both like trapped me. Like didn't let me go anywhere. They didn't even let me go anywhere last video. I've got to concentrate, alright. They're both going to kill me. I didn't check what's in there. There's got to be something in there. Phew. Sorry. Nothing. Why isn't there anything? What? Oh! Grandpa, don't be around there. Don't you dare be around here. Good boy. Oh. Oh. Oh God, this Grandpa. Granny, you go away. Go away, sticky woman. Yes, I'll go away. You smell. God, alright, that was horrifying. Wait, was she there? She's there. I see her bats. I see her bats with blood.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
No. Okay, I cannot get out yet. I'll wait a few more minutes. Okay, start. Crawl. Oh, she's setting up bear trap, sneaky woman. Oh God, she's already there. Go. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. No! Oh, she's walking slow. How did she not see me? Okay, that made a lot of noise. God, I gotta stand this. Oh, sure. Okay, do not go under the bed. Oh, they're not letting me go anywhere. Move. Okay, go, 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 go. Oh, Granny, I hate you, woman. I hate you. Oh, yeah. If I die, it's like game over, then I'll just have Granny. Alright, day 3 already, and I have done nothing. Nothing, absolutely nothing. I've got to concentrate. If we're going to escape, then we need to concentrate. Mega concentrate. Oh my god, I'm limping everywhere. Okay, I've got to be careful because I think Granny might be upstairs. God, guys, I can't stand this lot. Okay. Ah! No, why did they let me go anywhere? These people are stupid. Oh god. Ah! Go Vanessa. Ow. Go Vanessa! Oh, ignore notifications like I keep saying. Should I? Ah! Go Vanessa. Go Vanessa. Oh. Oh. Go. Oh no. Oh, it's a picture. Oh. Go, 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 go. Close the door. Right. The door's closed. Phew. I nearly died there. I nearly died there. Honestly, I nearly died. That's just a wrench. Oh no. Oh, helicopter manual, that's what we need. Just take it. Yeah, just me. Stout grandma. Okay. Good. Safe. Oh, please be the weapon key. Oh, yes! It's what I asked. Okay, be careful. You've got to be careful. There's 2 people. One's with a bat and one's with a crowbar. Alright, we're gonna shoot these 2 people, alright? You hear me? We're gonna shoot them. Okay, be careful. Got to be mega careful. Open this thing. Quick, 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 quick. Open. You need to be more faster. Okay, get out of here. Payback for everything you did. Come out! Granny, Grandpa, I can hear you. Come out. I know, this might get their attention. Oh. Oh, see what I'm using in. Oh, the cooking pies, that's nice. Oh, Grandpa's come in. Come in, Baldy. Hello, Baldy. Hey, old Baldy. I get shot. That's why I get shot. Oh, the security said, grab it. Okay, why didn't I just... Oh, God. Day 4 is going to be already. I think he's going to come and add. There's no ads coming, I think. I'm at my granddad's house, so that's probably why there's no ads. Alright, I need to concentrate in this game. They're both going to kill me. I've killed Grandpa already. And I've took his key, so that's good. Oh my god, there's blood on my face. It might be a long gaming video, actually. Alright. I need my shotgun. Right, I'm getting revenge. Granny, where are you? I'm getting revenge on you. I don't care. Where are you? Which might get their attention. This might do. This could be the both of the bed. Die! That's right, both of you die. I've killed them both for 2 minutes. I heard snoring, so I probably knew it were him. Let's grab this key. Alright, let's do a lot better. I need to do a lot better. I know the shotgun will be in the living room, I guess it is. I'm not sure. Oh, what's in here? Any items we might need in here? Oh, there's a safe keys in there. Oh, I saved that. Save that. Alright, so I've opened this door. Let's see what's in here. I'm not even escaping in the boat. Belt stuff. I'm probably like, oh, duct tape's in there. That's what we need, isn't it? All right, drop that key. We don't need that anymore. Just jump down here. All right, let's get and let's open the safe. Open the safe because I don't know if we used this last video. I might need my weapon key. Oh no, not the weapon key. I've already used it. The shotgun. Right, they both could be gone by now, so just be careful. Eh? Oh, darn. Alright, both ammo's in there, I know. For a fact. Alright, just take a shortcut. I'm gonna say. Oh, wait, what? I've used it already. Oh, wrench is there at least. At least I know where some is. Gotta be mega careful. So I've got loaded both of the guns. Alright. Alright, the safe's open. The door handle's inside. I know what'll be better. Put the shotgun here. Oh god, that's making a lot of noise. Right, now take the shortcut. Grab the wrench. Alright, so now go downstairs. We're doing better. Gotta do better, yeah? Yeah. Alright, then, let's go in here. Right then. I've got blood on my face. This is really not nice. Alright. Alright, let's go up here. Let's go kill this thing. This will get the grandpa's attention. Yeah, they both hit that. Alright, I need to... Alright, I gotta be careful now. Crowbar. God, that is cursed, that. Be careful. God, that thing is weird. It's slender, his head. Yes, ammo. Is it making a noise? Be careful. Alright, we gotta be careful. Because... Oh. Wait, did I go silent for a few minutes? I'm sure. Oh, there's Granny. Alright. Oh no, I double shot it. No! I wasn't supposed to do that. Oh, Grandpa's gonna... Oh no. Oh god. Go away. Oh god, go away. Go away. Oh god, be quick. Be quick. Get the ammo. Prepared. I'm a survivor. Oh, that was a good shot. Alright, get that piece of a picture. There'll be some random places. Okay, we gotta be careful now. Alright, Grandpa's head. I'm too sure he's a... Oh, Granny's disappeared. I wish we could take Grandpa's crow. Oh, there's another one there. I'm sure there was a third one somewhere. Oh, yeah, it's on the table. Oh, no, we've nearly got all the pictures. The pictures already. Alright, we have 2 minutes. We gotta be careful. Right, let's go get another one. We have 2 minutes. Grandpa, Granny already disappeared. Well, let's be careful. Let's have a look what's in here quickly. Oh god, get it. Alright, there's no point hiding under the bed if they're like gonna jump scare you. Right, go up these ladders. We've nearly got all the photos, so we need one last photo. And then he opens this door in front of us. Alright then. Alright, go get this. Alright, I've left my shotgun downstairs. I need that. And then let's just go into the helicopter that's upstairs. So there could be some... I need like fuel. Some gas fuel. Alright, done. Alright, got all the photos so we can open the door. Now we need my shotgun. Alright, we gotta be careful now. Oh, there's ammo there. Wait, what? I thought I collected that ammo. Raz, move that Raz out of the way. Oh god, that's making a lot of noise. Okay, grab the shotgun. I only need it to go upstairs. Alright, so we're making more progress on day 4. When I have blood on my face and I'm moving badly. Alright, oh, go up here. Alright. Boom, boom. Alright, now let's go from here. Alright. Alright then. Alright. 1. Oh. 2. I need one more. I only need one. Damn. Damn. Damn it. I like drop out a lot of ammo. Damn it. Oh. Damn. Oh. Where'd it go? Damn, it's there. Oh, I hate this thing. Yes! Now I need a glass fuse for this thing here. I know what I could do instead. Damn, I've used all the ammo. Alright, I can use something else to open this thing here. And there's ammo in there. I mean, bombs. I can fall through the trap. And I have a feeling Granny will come. So I just risk it. Alright, I think Granny's gonna come. I think. Not sure. Perhaps she hasn't. Oh, ammo's there. I thought I used that thing. There's ammo everywhere. This game must like me. It's starting to like me. I might not have used it. I'll check when I upload the video. Oh, how can I open this door? Something is blocking the door from the other side. Alright, let's go in here. The crowbar's in there, so I need... Oh, again! Hand grenade. I think Grandpa's dancing. Oh god, Grandpa could be up here. Oh god, be careful. Ah! Gotta go away now. Move! Oh god. Ready? Are you dead? Oh god. She's there. Alright, I escaped her. Go, Vanessa! They're both upstairs, oh. Alright. Oh, she's been laughing. Thing's dead. Good. I'll leave it here. So if it's awake, then I won't have anything to kill. Alright, grab the crowbar. No bad thing. So I think Grandpa were dancing. Oh look. Starting to think I saw some flashing in there. Got the helicopter manual at least. Alright. Oh no. Oh, I have an extra. I've got an extra thing. I've got an extra. I don't know why I took it even though I have a shotgun. Right now I'm upstairs. Alright. Where about you? Smelling woman. Smelling woman. Where are you, smelling woman? Ah! Like. Oh no! Granny's coming! Run! Ah! How dare you kill my husband, Ruben! Go, Vanessa! Go, Vanessa! Oh god, what's that? Alright, are you coming? Is that escape? Oh no 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 no! Ah! Oh god, bear trap. What's she saying? Bear trap's everywhere. Smelling woman. And is she even allowed these? Go grab that quick! No! Okay. Okay. Peace out. Oh god. That's right. Go, Vanessa. I've killed Grandpa, definitely. Oh god. I think I saw her. Okay, grab 2 ammo. Grab that 2, yes. Ah! Huh. Thought someone came out of there then. Kill Granny. Where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? You smell, man, you smell. Granny? I've not made Granny talk that much. Huh. Still killed him. Alright. Let's have a look and see if there's anything we need. Be careful though. No. 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 Also no. It's always a no. Alright. That thing's dead. Now then. God, I'm scared, man. Alright. Gotta be safe. What was that? God, I'm so nervous. Okay. Alright. Where's the glass fuser? I know I've left the crowbar downstairs for a fact. Oh god, there's Grandpa. Grandpa, turn around, man. Turn around, baldy. Aha, before you even could finish. Where's Granny? I know she heard that gunshot. Don't seem to be there. Seems to be afraid. Smelly woman. I should have probably took that with me. Yeah, I should have took that with me. I have a delight feeling that she's going to come up and kill me. The bat. Crazy woman. Mercury. This is weird. Just random things as pets. Okay. Let's have a listen to the new. Oh, I don't care about that. Drop it. Oh no. Oh, I've got my shotgun. I have got that shotgun, Granny. You cannot kill me. No, how dare you kill my husband? Move. God damn it, she potato. She's making my table. Okay, she's gone. She's gone. Where's she gone? Ah! She's there. She's there. She's there. Okay. She's gone. Ah! Oh no, where's the gun? Oh, it's downstairs. No! Oh!
To play hide and seek.
No. I'm getting that gun. Get it. Good. Got it. Granny! Granny, turn around, woman. Surprise attack. What's in here? Have a look. Nothing really? Okay. Oh my god, woman, stop racing. Nope, I won't, Granny. I hate you. You smell? Yes, gasoline can. Oh no, I need the glass fuse first. I need the glass fuse. Where is the glass fuse? It's gotta be around here somewhere. The glass fuse. It's gotta be around here. I swear it's around here. Okay, take the stun gun. Take the stun gun. At least I don't need to find ammo with this. Alright, where's the glass fuse? It's gotta be around here somewhere. No, I guess. Wonder where could be the glass fuse. I need the glass fuse. I'm not just gonna permanently say that way. Where's the glass fuse at? Oh god. I swear it's around here somewhere. Where's all the pictures? B. Oh no, it's definitely not in here. Let's have a look at. They're watching us from here. Alright. I don't know why. What's blocking the door? It's gotta be around here. There's warnings around here. There's warnings been around here somewhere. What's the bell about? I swear I've seen that somewhere. I mean, could have sworn there's like. I don't know if you even look. The items even there. There's like. Aha. See you. Get it. Got it. I know she heard that thing. Oh, isn't it here? No? Never is? Me there. I think could awaken or something. I'm sure it's not. That's a helicopter key. What we need to escape in the helicopter. But where's the glass fuse then? Should be somewhere. Or is it downstairs? Could have sworn it's been downstairs in the boat. The boat is like that. Oh, there it is. Oh, you be careful. There's the glass fuse. We've got the glass fuse. That's good. That's good. Very good. Oh, you need that? We want it. We need it. Alright. So there. And then it leads us to the helicopter. Duct tape. Fuel. Ah! There's Granny. Go away, Granny. Go away. You smell. You smell, woman. You smell. Wait, they can't climb up ladders. Go, Vanessa. Go, Vanessa. Wait, be quick. Be quick. Be ultra quick. We've got to run. Damn, I wish I had that shotgun filled up with ammo. Go quick. I think we only need 3 stuff. Oh, we've got to be mega careful when we get back downstairs. We've got to be careful. Grandpa and Granny could kill me at any second. Look, now we're doing really good. Glass fuse in there. Go. Here. Now look at this. It's a helicopter. So we need duct tape. Key. And then the gasoline can goes right in there. That's all we need, I think. Found everything. Alright, what's in here? No way. Can we get through here? What's that? Oh. Okay. I might know where the duct tape is. I think it's about upstairs. Oh no, there's Granny. Granny, go away. You smell. Go, Vanessa. Oh god. I stopped at some point. We cannot stop. Hey, Granny, you smell. I'm sure I found it somewhere. Oh no. Go away. Oh god.
I see you.
No, you don't, you stinky woman. Oh! Go away. Just let me do something for once. No, I won't. Oh god. Grandpa. We can't go that way because Grandpa will be there. Ah! Bedrock smelling woman. You smell. Okay, go. Grandpa's gone upstairs. So we've got to be mega careful. They're both here. Go. Go now. Go. Alright. Oh, is it in the room? Oh no, there ain't anything in there. So I didn't know if we can go through here. Ah, this is best. Is that guns? Or is that like glass fuel? Boom, bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Fill. Great. swear I saw the duct tape somewhere. I could have sworn I've seen the duct tape. Right, close this. I think Granny's playing piano. I can hear her. What is it in here? Oh, is it a helicopter? I think Granny's playing piano, I think. I can hear. Alright, I could have sworn the duct tape were up here. Yeah, it is! We need one more thing, and then we're escaping in this helicopter. Go, 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 go. Okay. Place it there. Let's go. Alright. Go, 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 go! Go! We can go! Alright, be careful. Be careful. Final chance. We're getting that key. Yeah, I've added the film. Right, we're getting that key. We are getting that key. Go! Go! Okay, we cannot die now. We can't die now. We've got the key. Go! 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 Okay, we can't die now. We can't die now, seriously. No, I'm not kidding. We can't die now. Can't die now. We can't die now. Yes. Yes, go. Go, 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 go. Yes. We're escaping. Hang on. Just took a little screenshot. Go! Go! Alright, just ignore that. Go. Hop inside. Yes! We're starting the engine! Go! Go! And we're starting the engine. We're starting the engine. We've started! Yes! We're flying! We're flying! Come back here now! Yes! No, I won't! Yes, we're going. Come back here! Come back here! Yes! We're going! We're escaping! The end! The end! Oh, wow, that was ace. God damn it, Ruben, we hate you. Yes, we'll get you next video. I decided to change my mind because I know you would try to kill us both, and we know I couldn't let you escape. We just got it on her own. I escaped. Goodbye, everyone.